Hi, I'm Jim Kollar, National Sales Manager with Canfield Industries. Today we're going to show you some of our drain valves that's manufactured by Spartan Scientific. These drain valves are all made in the USA right here in our facility at 8510 Foxwood Court, and also our subdivision out of Spartan Scientific over at 230 McClurg Road. So what we have here are drain valves in either a connector timer form, where we have just our cycle timer mounted to a valve. We also make it in a sandwich timer form, which we take a DIN connector 120 wall plug through our sandwich style timer and onto our drain valves. These drain valves in this particular case are 1/4, 3/8, or half MPT. They all have a 1/2 inch orifice for a lot of flow. We also have a larger form of it, which is our 3516 series valve that has up to a 0.68 inch orifice in it. So we get quite a bit of flow, and it'll handle any of the particulates that you might get through with the drain valves. So these guys are time drain valves. Your on time is up to 25 seconds and your off time is up to 45 minutes. So in the winter, you set it for a longer delay and less time on. In the summer, humid months, you're gonna wanna turn it up. So we came out with a new product that's called a CRDVS that is an on-demand drain valve. So whereas you'll need to climb under your compressor and reset this a couple times a year, this version works on demand. There's a thermistor in line that is sensing water, basically what we take this thermistor and we heat it, and when it sees the water, it purges it after it cools it. So again, this is a CRDVS. It's an on-demand, zero air loss type of valve. Obviously, it is less maintenance, it works well, and you don't waste air like you can with these. All of these are available through our standard distribution channels. They are also available through SpartanScientific.com, and you can also find them on CanfieldConnector.com.